suite of, I am working on Hyperion EPM suite of products from past 12 years. I have worked on the most important product of Hyperion, like Hyperion Essbase and planning, budgeting, forecasting. Also, I have worked on financial management and also worked on the, that means metadata management tool. So that's, and right now I am working as a, professional trainer and giving the online training, corporate trainings, and also working as a freelancer. So that's a, just a brief introduction about me. And in this demo, I will give you a, that means brief introduction on Hyperion Essbase and planning, and also, will give you the brief introduction that what is the use of this tool, why people are using, what is the importance of this tool, and how the people are using, and what we will be going to cover in this training. So that's what we will cover during this demo. But before going ahead, I just would like to know about yourself, that, what is your background, what you are doing currently.
Yeah, actually I did MCA and I finished in 2009. At present I am in US, so I got, recently I applied to the work permit, so I would like to start my career in Hyperion, so that's why yeah.
Okay, so after completion of the MCA, you did not, that
Mm.
means
No, I
do,
didn't, no, I didn't do any job.
okay. So
Mm-hmm.
that means you would like to learn the Hyperion, and then after that you will be going to, taking the interviews, and then definitely
Mm.
after the interview, then you will be going to start working on this Hyperion, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. 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 So that's also good, because we also take care of the interview and also support also. So that's good. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me share my screen. Once you are able to see my screen, are
Yeah,
you
I
able to
can
see
see.
my screen?
Yeah, 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 I can see the screen.
Okay. So before going ahead, if we are going to learn any tool, let's say suppose it's a, technical tool, or I can say that functional tool, we just need to know that why we are going to use this tool, and why we need to learn this tool, and what is the importance of learning this tool. So if I talk about the Hyperion, so Hyperion is the tool which has been invented by Arbor Software around, in 1997. It was invented by Arbor Software. Then after the Arbor Software, it was a product of Hyperion. That means Hyperion Software acquired this tool. Then
Mm-hmm.
at that time it was not important. Nobody was using the Hyperion. Even nobody knows. Even nobody knows that what is the use of this Hyperion tool. People were using, that means at that time might be the awareness about information technology was not too much. So then after the Hyperion software in 2007, Oracle has acquired this tool from Hyperion software. Then after the 2007, when the Oracle has acquired this tool, Oracle has changed the version. That means Oracle has launched different version of Hyperion tool, and also they have, that means they have include all the functionality which simply provide a facility to the finance department of any organization, and they can do the financial consolidation to higher level. So after acquiring this tool by Oracle, it was the most important tool which providing the facility to finance department of any organization and was helping them in order to build their reporting and to do their analysis. So basically what I would like to say that Hyperion is the tool which has been used by finance department of any organization to do their reporting and analysis. So it's basically a reporting tool, and after the reporting, business is able to do their reporting and they are able to do the analysis. Based on the analysis, they will be able to take the business decision. Okay, so Oracle, that means Hyperion is the tool of the Oracle. Oracle has acquired this tool in 2007, and from the 2007, it is the most important tool which has been used by the finance department to do their financial consolidation to upper level. They do their reporting by using this Hyperion tool, and based on the reporting, they take the decision. Now, what kind of decision? Let's say suppose I talk about telecommunication organization. Let's say Vodafone. So can you tell me that what Vodafone does? That means what is the business of the Vodafone?
Selling phones.
Yes, selling phone. Yes. What other business they do?
Mm,
They sell their tariff. That means they are having a different plan, mobile plan, data plan, cable plan, right? So
yeah.
they are having their business in mobile and fixed line, right?
Okay.
So they generally sell their tariff across the world. Like, that means they are having the different region. One is the Asia region, one is the UK region, another one is the, that means the US region, another one is, I can say that Australia, or there are different regions they are having. So they sell their tariff in different region year wise. So let's say suppose they would like to do the analysis that what is the sale of, let's say suppose 199 rupees plan in India in different region in January 2016, 2000, in February 2016, March 2016, April, May, June. So they would like to do the analysis of tariff A in different region in India in different month in current year. Okay, and based on the analysis they would like to take the decision, that means where is the sale of this tariff is more and where this tariff did not sell too much. So let's say suppose in India again there are 32 districts. So out of 32 districts, this tariff has been sold in 16 districts too much in summer region, and in winter this tariff has not been sold in these 16 region, another 16 region. So business has done the analysis that okay, if the sale of this tariff is not too much in these 16 region, then let us stop of selling this tariff in this 16 region and let's launch another new plan. So these kind of decision business will be able to take by using this Hyperion Essbase and planning, and that's the importance of this tool. So that's why right now this is the tool which has been used by each I can say that each organization, and our main end user is the finance department of each organization with whom we will be working. Okay, so finally what we conclude that Hyperion is the financial consolidation tool which will be used to do the reporting, and based on the reporting business will be able to take the decision, important decision, and they will be able to run their business. So that's the high level overview of Hyperion tool. Also, another important thing is that it's not too much technical. That means it's include some finance concept. Also, in this tool, we simply need to know that how to navigate this tool, how to use this tool. It's not like that there is too much coding in this tool. So definitely there are some finance rule, and we will have to write those rules, we will have to write the script for those. But there are, that means based on our knowledge, that means if we have good mathematical concept, or we are having a, good mathematics knowledge, so definitely we will be able to handle that. Okay?
Okay.
So now let's move ahead and let's see that what we will be going to cover during this training. So in this training, we will start with the Hyperion Essbase first, which is the basic tool, and need to know that if we would like to start our career in Hyperion. So in Hyperion, there are 16 tools, 16. Okay. So out of the 16 tool, Hyperion Essbase and planning is the basic tool. And if we, if we have the knowledge on these two tool, then after that we can learn other tool, and it will be easier for us to learn the other tool. But that will depend on your project requirement. Let's say suppose you get involved in the project, and in that project, if you are using the Hyperion Essbase and planning, okay, other tool also you are using, so definitely you can integrate your knowledge. But these are the basic tools which we need to learn, and we will be able to, that means start our career in Hyperion. So in this training, first we will start with the basic of the Hyperion Essbase. What are the basics? That means how we implement the multi-dimensional concept. Multi-dimensional concept is simply like I have told you that if, let's say, suppose we would like to do the analysis of one particular product in different region for different month for different year. Okay, so these are will be the multi-dimensional. That means we would like to do the analysis on multiple intersection. Okay, we have one member intersection, and on that intersection we would like to see the data. So we will see that what's this is multi-dimensional concept. So definitely if you have done the MCA, so you have heard about the RDBMS, right?
Yeah.
Relational Database Management System. So
Yeah.
relational database management system is the two-dimensional system where we can see the data in row column format, right?
Yeah.
But let's say suppose if I would like to see the data for multi-dimensional, then I can achieve that functionality by using the RDBMS SQL queries. But what I will have to do? I will have to write the complex queries, right? I will have to write the inner join, outer join, and then I will be able to achieve that. I will have to create the multiple tables. I will have to use the foreign key in order to refer the data from different table, right? But here we don't need to do anything. We just will be using the Excel. Excel will be my front tool, and we will be connecting to our database, and we will be able to retrieve the data and we don't need to write any query. We just need to give the member intersection name. So that's the beauty of the Hyperion Essbase. So we will learn that what is this multidimensional concept, what is this dimensions, members, what are the hierarchies. Then after that, we will start with the two storage options which are available in Essbase. One is the block storage options, another one is the aggregate storage options. So these are the two database which will be, used while working with the Hyperion Essbase. We will
Okay.
learn. Mhm.
We won't be having any kind of database, right? In this?
No, these are the two database: block storage option, aggregate storage options.
Oh, okay.
So basically, Essbase is nothing but it's a multi-dimensional database.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a database, but it's a multi-dimensional database where we have the multiple dimensions, and we will be storing the data on multiple dimension member, and we can retrieve the data by giving those member intersections from the database. So it's a different thing. It's
That
different.
means
Mhm.
from application, are we going to store the data in Essbase?
Yes, yes. We
Mm-hmm.
will be
Okay.
creating the Essbase application. Under
Mm-hmm.
the Essbase application, we will be having the database. And under a database, we will be storing a data.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And on that data, we will be able to perform the calculation. As in finance, there are different financial concepts. So we can calculate those, scenario, I can say, and business will be able to retrieve the data from the database. So what was business doing initially? That business has to do those calculation manually in Excel, right? So
Mm-hmm.
now they don't need to do their calculation in Excel after using this tool, because we will be performing those financial calculation into Hyperion Essbase database. Okay, and that's the advantage of using this tool to business.
Okay.
Okay, so after that we will be learning that how to create the BSO application, how to create the database. Then after that we will be learning that what are the component of the database. That means we will be learning that Essbase outline. We will learn how to load the data, how to perform the calculation, how to write the calculation script. So that part we will be learning during creation of the BSO application and database. Once we have covered the BSO part, we will be starting with the ASO part. So this is also another storage options. So let's say suppose, and in India, I am having 32 region, okay? That means small region. And in each region, there are different channel, okay? So I would like to know that definitely I will be getting an input from the lowest level, right? That means in each channel, let's say suppose in, I can say that in Andhra Pradesh, I am having a 20 channels. In Rajasthan, I am having another 21 channels. So from those channels, let's say suppose I would like to do the analysis that what is the sale of that particular product in India. So definitely from the lowest level, I will be able to get the sale. So let's say suppose in AP, I am having a 20 another channels. So I will be able to get the value at my lowest level to those 20 channels. I will be able to get the sales of that particular product. So and the sale for those 20 channels will get consolidated to the AP level, that means Andhra Pradesh level, and then the sale across the different region will get consolidated to the India. So what I would like to say, that means the consolidation, that means aggregation will be performed by using the ASO application. Okay, so that means lowest level cell will be consolidated to the upper level cell. So let's say suppose if I would like to do the analysis of cells for APEC region, that means Asia Pacific. So what I need? I need the cell at India level, at China, at Singapore, Japan, at different country level, right? So that that cell will get consolidated, and then I will be able to see the cell at APEC region, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's aggregation. That's we call the consolidation or aggregation, and this aggregation will be faster in ASO application. Then after that, once we have created the applications, then we will be learning about the automation, that how to automate this data loading process, calculation process, because definitely, if we talk about the finance, so finance department, they would like to update their data on daily basis, or it might be a possible that they would like to update the data 4 times in a day. So we can't stick with the system, and definitely we will have to automation, to do the automation. So in this case, we will have to, consolidate the data, and we will have to write the Maxwell script, batch script for that in order to do the automation. Then after that, we will be learning that how to apply the security, because each business would like to do this, apply the security, and they would like to secure their data. So in this, we will learn that how to apply the security and how to secure our data. After that, we will learn that how to retrieve the data, how to create the reports, how to do the analysis by using the SmartView. SmartView is also another tool which will be integrated with the Hyperion Essbase. So we will learn that how to use the SmartView and how to do the reporting.
Okay.
Then once we learn the Hyperion Essbase, then we will be learning Hyperion planning. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
Hyperion planning is another integrated tool which will be used with the Essbase. So backend of the planning is Essbase. Okay. So we will learn that what is the Hyperion planning, and basically from the name you can conclude that planning is being used to do the forecasting. Then we will learn that what is the use of the planning, what is the overview of the planning. Then we will learn that how to create the planning application. Then we will learn that how to deploy the planning application and integration of planning application with the Essbase. Then after that we will be learning that how to create the different planning component, and then how to build the report and how to apply the security. So these are the topics which we will be going to cover during our training. Apart from this, definitely we will be doing the theoretical sessions, and then after the theoretical session we will be going to do the practical as well. So I will provide you the software where you can install that on your system. You can do the practice offline, and we will be using that software for our training purpose. And the total session will be 25 sessions. Okay. So out of the 25 sessions, I can say that it will be mostly 5 weeks of training. So out of the 25 sessions, there are 16 sessions. That means I can say that 70% session will be only theoretical session, and the rest will be the practical sessions where we will be doing the practicals. So we will do two theoretical session, and then immediately after the two theoretical session we will do the practical. So it's not like that we will be doing the theoretical session first, then practical. No, we will do the theory and practical simultaneously.
Okay.
Apart from that, I will provide you the training material. That means complete implementation guide. That means you will be able to implementation guides, and by using that guide, you will be able to see each steps. So it's a apart from that, I provide, that means your interview questions and answers, what kind of questions and answers will be in interviews. So that I will provide you. And also I can take your, 1 or 2 mock rounds. So at least you will be prepared. That means before giving the interview. And if in future you require the, support from me, so definitely we provide also the support.
Okay.
Okay. So any other questions, any other queries?
Yeah. What is that HFM? That finance management?
HFM is the financial management consolidation tool. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So like the Essbase and planning, it's as I told that in Hyperion there are 16 tools. Okay. So out of the 16 tools, these are the tools Essbase and planning which are the basic one. So HFM is also another one which will be used for the, that means there are some accounting functionality. So if you have a strong accounting background, and you know that already that what is the accounting like US GAAP, which are the accounting inbuilt rules. So if you have that command on that, then you can also learn the HFM. So it's another Hyperion tool.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Any other question?
No, I'm good. Yeah.
Okay. So that means you can simply think and just let me know that when we should start. Definitely, that means we will be able to cover more and more, and hope for best. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Thank you. Thank you, Teja.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.